Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlink from other services on the new PlayStation 5. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is click on the settings icon located top right corner. Once you are in settings, we're going to click on users and accounts. Once in users and accounts, we are going to scroll down to links with other services. Here you will find the services that are linked. The only linked service we have is YouTube. And we are going to click on YouTube. Here it will give you an option to unlink account. We are going to click unlink account. And it says unlink account. You'll lose the features and benefits that you're enjoying by being linked. Yes, unlinked. And that is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.